Hello everyone and welcome back to PharmaExplained, where we simplify pharmacology step by step. In today's lesson, we will discuss the branches of pharmacology, one of the most important foundation topics in medical and pharmaceutical sciences. Let's begin. Pharmacology is broadly divided into two major branches: Pharmacokinetics and Pharmacodynamics. These two concepts are considered the heart of pharmacology. First, let's talk about pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics means what the body does to the drug. It studies the movement of drugs inside the body. Pharmacokinetics includes four major processes: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Together, these are commonly known as ADME. Absorption refers to how a drug enters the bloodstream. Distribution explains how the drug spreads throughout the body tissues and organs. Metabolism is the chemical alteration of the drug, mainly by the liver. Excretion is the removal of drugs from the body, usually through the kidneys. In simple words, pharmacokinetics studies what happens to a drug after it enters the body. Now let's move to pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics means what the drug does to the body. It is the study of the biological and therapeutic effects of drugs. It explains how drugs produce their actions, how they interact with receptors, and how they cause beneficial effects as well as side effects. So remember, pharmacokinetics is the body acting on the drug, while pharmacodynamics is the drug acting on the body. Now let's explore the other important branches of pharmacology. Pharmacotherapeutics deals with the clinical use of drugs in the treatment, diagnosis, and prevention of diseases. Toxicology is the science of poisons. It studies harmful effects of chemicals and drugs. Interestingly, many drugs can become poisonous when taken in large doses. Chemotherapy is concerned with drugs used against microorganisms, parasites, and cancer cells. Today, chemotherapy also plays a major role in cancer treatment. Clinical pharmacology focuses on drugs and their safe clinical use in humans. It provides important information about drug potency, usefulness, doses, and toxicity. Pharmacoepidemiology studies the effects of drugs on large populations. Pharmacoeconomics evaluates the cost-effectiveness of drug therapy, especially among groups such as elderly patients and AIDS patients. Pharmacogenetics studies how genetic differences affect drug responses among individuals. Some people may respond differently to the same dose of a drug because of genetic variations. Closely related to this is pharmacogenomics, which applies genomic technology to drug discovery and personalized medicine. Pharmacognosy studies drugs obtained from natural sources, especially plants and animals. Pharmacy is the art and science of preparing, compounding, dispensing, and quality controlling medicines. Clinical pharmacy focuses on direct patient care. Clinical pharmacists help optimize medication therapy, promote health, and prevent disease. Now let's discuss some important definitions in pharmacology. A pharmacopoeia is an official reference book containing standards for drugs and medicinal preparations. Examples include the British Pharmacopoeia, the United States Pharmacopoeia, and the International Pharmacopoeia. A national formulary provides practical drug information for prescribers within a country or healthcare system. Essential medicines are drugs identified by the World Health Organization as necessary to meet the priority healthcare needs of the population. These medicines should always be available, affordable, safe, and effective. Finally, orphan drugs are medicines developed for rare diseases or diseases affecting small populations. Because these conditions affect relatively few patients, pharmaceutical companies may have limited financial interest in developing these drugs. Understanding the branches of pharmacology is essential for every healthcare professional, because it helps us understand how drugs are discovered, studied, used safely, and monitored in patients. Thank you for watching this lesson on the branches of pharmacology. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to PharmaExplained. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming pharmacology tutorials. See you in the next lesson.